Hey guys, what's happening? How to fix WhatsApp chat backup unknown error on iPhone. So one of the ways to fix that problem, switch or swipe down to your control center at the top right, and then what you're gonna do, restart your Wi-Fi by clicking the airplane mode, and then if that didn't work out, use your cellular data in order to fix that. Next solution, what you're gonna do, go ahead to the settings, and then go ahead and click your name at the top. And then you're gonna see under the subscriptions, iCloud. Go ahead and click iCloud and make sure that you turn on your own iCloud to back up all of your data, including your WhatsApp data. Next, what you're gonna do, go to the save to iCloud right here and make sure that your WhatsApp is included, right? Now, what you're gonna do, go back to the main settings, right? And then go ahead to the general, then iPhone storage. Try to pin down your WhatsApp. I've deleted my WhatsApp already, but I have WhatsApp Business. Go ahead and click WhatsApp Business. Double click the offload app, right? And reinstall it once again, and that should fix it. If it didn't, scroll a little bit down to your background app refresh. Make sure to turn it on. So in order to turn it on, I need to turn off the low battery mode, right? And then go ahead and click the background app refresh. Make sure to select Wi-Fi and cellular data, right? And make sure also that WhatsApp Business or WhatsApp in this case is included. Next, what you're gonna do, go back to the general and then scroll a little bit down to transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it and then hit reset right here, right? And then we're gonna reset the all settings, right? And then we're gonna enter our passcode and restart our iPhone and reset all the settings on our iPhone. That should fix whatever problem WhatsApp has. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.